How to record video of your screen with Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11. You can use the Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11 to create video clips of app demonstrations or gaming sessions, which you can then share with friends and family. The Game Bar allows you to capture up to 30 minutes of footage with audio. However, to edit the clips, you'll need separate editing software, as Game Bar doesn't offer this feature. Ensure your app or game is open and running before starting the recording. To open the Xbox Game Bar, press the Windows key plus G. Once activated, the Game Bar will appear at the top of your screen. To access the video controls, click the Capture button, represented by a camera icon. This will open the capture window. Audio is disabled by default, but you can toggle it on or off by clicking the microphone icon. Click the Record button to start capturing video. A capture status window will appear, displaying a timer that shows how long the recording has been running. The capture will include your screen along with any mouse cursor movements. You can stop the recording by clicking the square stop button in either the capture window or the capture status window. A notification will display to confirm that your video has been recorded. To view your recordings, click See My Captures in the capture window. A list of your recorded clips will appear, allowing you to select and view them to ensure everything was captured correctly. If you want to delete a recording, select it from the list of files and click Delete. Then, confirm your decision to remove the file. Functionality is limited, so if you want to make changes to a capture, such as renaming the file, click Open File Location in the Gallery window to access the video in Windows Explorer. Then click Continue to navigate to the files. By default, the files are saved in the Captures folder within your videos library. From here, you can rename, copy, or share the video clips just like any other file.